Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can view referral code in GCash. So to get started, open the GCash app on your phone and log into your account using your PIN or biometric, whichever you've set up. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon, usually located at the top left or top right corner of the screen, depending on your app version. Inside the profile section, scroll down until you see an option labeled Refer Friends or Invite Friends. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to the referral section where GCash gives you different options to share your invite link. You'll notice a few sharing methods like Messenger, SMS, QR code, or more options, which lets you send the code through other apps installed on your phone. Select whichever method works best for you. Once your friend clicks on the link and successfully creates a GCash account, your referral will be recorded. And here's the best part: once they meet the requirements, like completing a transaction or verifying their account, you'll receive a reward or bonus directly into your GCash wallet. And that's it, you are done.